Going on, man? We out here, man. Just riding. Look at the white. In the front. He think he doing something. He ain't doing that. Get out the road! I'm just playing, y'all, but yeah. So y'all just stay tuned, man. This is gonna be the family vlog today, or whatever y'all wanna call it. You dig? Look at her. On the road, she playing with her hair, y'all. On the road. You feel what I'm saying? She my second eyes on the road. I need you to be here. Here. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Y'all see them cows, man. Hell, we trying to get up out of there. The baby even talking. He just want to use his 4x4. He taking us different ways, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Don't know where we going. We ain't come over no train track. Look at it. You want to test how that 4x4. Y'all see the kids? They woke back there. Kira probably still asleep.
Can you say what's up?
He back there looking clean. He over there, the only one with the fro. We got him though. The 4x4 doing numbers. Jay, I'm coming. Yeah. Y'all see him up there. We definitely speeding, y'all. I know I'm doing like 50. Oh, 45.
But you going slow.
They said 35. We slow it down. Y'all slow down now. Y'all don't want to do that, man. I'm trying to catch the 4x4 250.
As y'all can see, he ain't really going that fast.
He pulled over because of something with him. It's because of
Oh.
I think we rode down here last.
I thought maybe y'all one guy had called him. And he was saying something.
Know why you ride?
Oh, that's low.
Yeah. Well, I guess we probably.
That's low, y'all. See that wire right there? That's why we pulled over. They still out there.
Hold on.
There you come. Okay, y'all. We made it to our destination. I'm trying to, there's a big stick over here. We driving down up here in some property. I see the trailer. Is a... Who's scared of snakes?
You, Mommy.
Somebody living here?
Yeah, the dude came out here doing his vacational property. I mean his hunting property. Got a little boat out here. Got a little. Oh, somebody already out here.
The deepest part.
Ooh.
But it starts right. I mean, it starts literally right there.
So all this don't wipe down or nothing, do it?
Nah, I mean it's got ivy. This is ivy right here.
Like poison ivy?
No, it's not poison ivy. It's just ivy.
And
And it holds it pretty well at this point.
where from the water and.
Yeah, from the more erosion.
And how far it is to probably go from here?
This is where we're standing. That's the
gully.
That's the house. Well, that's the road that came in.
Okay.
That's the house right there. So you can see the gully. We're standing right here.
Mm-hmm.
So that gully wraps around.
So
I mean, there's a bunch back here on the other side of it.
what, gullies?
No, land.
Oh, okay.
That's the only.
And then I blew this up, and there's a house right there. It seems like they got a garden on the property.
Yeah, it's pretty close. I
Pretty
don't think
close.
it's ever been surveyed. And this map could be off, 5
That's
feet,
good.
10 feet, something like that.
20 feet wide. The property stands on the other side of the gully too.
Yeah.
So that means we will own part of this gully. If we,
You'll own all this gully.
We'll own all this gully, even
Yeah.
over there in the cut.
Yeah, the property line's on the other side of it.
Yeah.
I mean, it goes.
If water come down here, it be water. That's why they had the picnic table when it be water. They just.
I guess so.
Hey, you're a little too close to that gully now. Well, I can't.
Has
Oh,
a-
this one?
yeah, you can have that.
Okay, thank you.
Did y'all want to walk through the house first?
Yeah, but let's walk through the house. So that was the gully. Yeah. Come on, wash yourself now. The floor solid?
It's solid except for one spot.
Huh?
Show you where that spot is.
Yes, the hell. See, it got power in here, huh?
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Don't go over there.
Okay. Need a floor.
Yeah. See, there was a stand-up freezer right there.
Oh, okay.
And when his brother died, the freezer, nobody was coming up here, well, the freezer leaked.
Oh.
And it rotted the subfloor right there.
Left everything in place, huh?
Yeah.
Man.
It's a 2-bedroom.
It's a big little. Y'all made up the bed, didn't you? They still got towels in there. Oh. Hot water tank in the closet, huh?
Yeah.
Got this there. That's a pretty big bathroom, though.
Somebody killed some pretty decent.
He must got them off the property.
Yeah, I think he did.
Ah. He been killing them, huh? He been knocking them off. He got the little. Oh, there's another bathroom.
Come on.
Huh? What is the porch?
Yeah, that's the front porch.
Oh, they'll go out. Okay.
Yeah. No, I know, no, no, ma'am. He didn't pass away here. This is the sunk tank. That's all it was. Yes, ma'am.
Baby, you want to see the porch?
That's the porch over here?
It's nice, huh? Yeah. Okay. Okay. She's seen the galley.
Rats going on right now.
Yeah, he had some little critters.
There's some critters in here.
He had them.
They've been eating that up.
They been hungry.
They've been eating that.
This got a septic tank, right? This have a septic tank on this property. Yeah. I'm all right here.
Yeah, he walked out the back door and climbed up in there. Look like that's
Huh? Oh, it goes to that line, and he said it go like way back over there. No, he said the galley just in the front, and it runs up here. This part of the
galley run up here?
Yeah, this is where the galley runs all the way to the other side. But he said it's flatter back down in there.
Yeah, it looks like a galley.
Oh, well. You can put it right here.
Look, what's over there? You see that spot over there? Get out here.
Oh, there's the alley. Better watch out for coyotes be out here. Coyotes. No, I've seen something moving. Watch out for them sticky.
Yeah, that's what I said. It just it like it going all over.
Hold on. Is that water down there? So the galley. If the galley wrap around this whole thing, how the hell you get across the galley?
Yeah, that's what I would like to know. How you get over there to see what's over there.
On the other side.
How many acres of galley is it?
Because if he said it was 10 feet deep and 20 feet wide. But I'm pretty sure we can walk down that galley. I have to clean some of these trees off.
But you
want the boat.
That's what I was telling Loretta. I said they'll probably leave all this stuff. I wonder what the timber value is here.
They ain't even had nobody at the wall for the survey.
He ain't had what?
He said he don't think nobody surveyed it.
Ever surveyed it. Current value 37,000.
Yeah, you see what I'm
So
saying?
it ain't 90-something thousand?
No, that's what it said online. It said 95.
Maybe that's a misprint, but I asked myself, so it's a profit, so it's what's extra right? So y'all asking 39? That's what I asked when I go back up there.
It's 35. I mean 95.
What up? So the guy-
Cause she said we can come down there and see her after we home.
If we still be here. Oh, this is just, oh.
Babe.
I almost went over. It was a stunt right here. This thing right here caught me. I ain't even know they were that
You
thick.
wasn't going down the hill. If I had to grab you by your dread.
Memphis on the top. Somebody been dumping trash on that side and this side.
Mm-hmm.
But it
A
is
long
a big
time
pole.
ago.
But somebody had to have a survey. Look at the thing on the pole. It's on both sides.
Yeah.
And it goes back. He said it's way more in the back. So,
Yeah, it's several more back there because you got 24 acres.
yeah.
So my thought on that, this ravine, well, you know, somebody probably live over there. Is to find the closest area,
To the other side.
because if you can't find poles long enough to span across and have at least 5 feet across on each side, 5 to 6 feet across on each side, then you got to put pylons in the ground. Otherwise, you got to go find another way around and cut your road around.
What it is.
But he did say we can get around at the top.
Yeah, go out and come back in.
But
He was out there cutting, wasn't he? He was out there. That's a 18-wheeler rim. Oh, yeah, look, it got a winch on it and everything. And the dog.
what is it?
The deer hang stand to clean the deer. He got the wind cable and Jay. He got the plug out here too.
You got some lights out there. Oh, that's nice.
Oh yeah. He got lights in there. That's what you hang the deer antlers on and let it hang.
You hang the legs on that.
Oh, but he got the winch. You can bring it down to the
There was
deer.
another one right there on that tree. Another something.
Oh, that's a pulley.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
We might need to try to
Like to handle that.
we might need to try to get he got spotlight. We changed all them to LEDs.
Mm-hmm.
The lights right
He
there.
got what? 5 lights?
He got the cooler out here. That's a good thing. That look like
Yeah.
a left right there.
Yeah, that's all broken.
That's a 3-wheeler. I thought it was a 4. He got everything here. That's where the lake is. He got fish areas in there and everything.
Huh?
Is it how far the lake is?
I do, sir.
How far is the lake?
The lake from here?
I seen one on the map, but it was like behind the property.
Oh, okay.
When I zoomed in.
You talking about
Yeah, I see.
pond? I thought you were talking about Lake Wolf. Lake
No, I think what's the name of that lake?
Is it Foster?
Forks Lake.
Forest,
Pond.
yeah.
Yeah, it's on it's right here.
It's on behind the property.
It's
ain't it?
on the neighbor's property.
I wonder if we talk to the neighbors, see can we fish there sometime.
We right here, right?
Yeah, where that blue dot is.
Oh, we on this side, yeah.
We on this side, so then.
So that's their property. So who property we will have to talk to fish? I don't know. We just have to ride around.
Samuel Fort is his name.
Daniel Ford?
Samuel.
Samuel? Okay, so.
About 200 acres right there.
200. Okay, I like this. What do you think, babe?
I mean, yeah, but we supposed to look. He said we supposed to need to walk up there and look over here.
And get the trees cleared. And when you get ready to stump it, you can stump all that stuff into that ravine.
Will water
Yeah.
still run through it?
Water will run through it. But if you, I mean, it don't really matter. I mean, because it really just, it stops right up there, but you can push all that excess off into that ravine.
Mm.
And then you ain't got to worry about burning.
There a lot of snakes over there. Okay, let's walk up.
Go in if you want to get around that gut.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You know, when y'all get the trees cut,
It got a front yard and everything.
y'all get the trees cut and this, and all this would be much more accessible. You can just make a road wherever you want one.
Oh yeah.
Instead of going by the bridge, because it's pretty long across, but you have to have some 100-foot beams. Like they have to do that. I would buy this over here, and I would farm that, and I would live here.
Oh yeah, have your own little.
I would, cause it ain't, man.
It's nice. It's nice. I take.